I done spilled coffee. I done spilled coffee on my shirt. I done spilled I mean, I ain't gonna do nothing about it. I mean, welcome back, Merry Vlogmas. As you can see in this Vlogmas, we have a Chanel unboxing. Vlogmas. So yes, we have a Chanel unboxing. Yeah, that's just there. I ain't gonna do nothing about it. I ain't gonna do nothing about it. I'm even going to run errands with this. Real life, people. Real life. Okay, so let's get this open. And look at the holiday packaging. It is really pretty, but let's go ahead. Can I slide this? I can't slide this off. Can y'all see that? It's gonna wash me out. Hold on, let me look. I gotta figure this thing out. Okay, there we go. Let's see how, like, I wanna, so you can't slide the ribbon because they have some type of adhesive on it. Let me just take the ribbon off. Y'all seen the ribbon? I'm so horrible at unboxings. Okay. So here's the ribbon off, and what I'm going to do is give you guys a better angle, and I want to see too, so I want a better angle. Hold up. Okay, let's get her open. And I did order these from Chanel.com. Oh, I'm so excited for these. I hope they look as good in person as they do online. All right, here we go. Can y'all see that? So there we go. Wraps beautifully. And here is a sneak peek of what I got. They are sunglasses. These are the, what's the name? Chad, what's the name? I don't see no name. Is it what? Okay, I don't see no name. So let's get it open. All right, look at that. So these are my second pair of Chanel sunnies. I have a pair of aviators. If you have not seen my designer luxury sunglasses video, I will link that. But look, oh, I love this case. What is that, velvet? No, that is so pretty. Look at that. Okay. And this is the pair that I got. Can you see that? They're so pretty. It has the pearl detailing on the side. Y'all see now I got my nails that I want to like Vanna White stuff. But look, the pearl detail on the side. Oh, they're cute. Okay, let's try them on. Oh, and then it has the Chanel logo on the other arm. Oh, on both arms. I'm sorry. Look, I'm unboxing this in real time here, people. So I'm looking at it and ensuring returns will not be accepted. Okay, return just says returns will not be accepted with this tag. As they should not. As they should not. Okay, let's try them on. So they are cute. Okay, so let's get a better look at them. The CC logo is on both sides, and then the Chanel classic pearl details. Oh, they are pretty. Let me try them on. Hold on. Well, I ain't trying to mess up my hair. Let me see. Oh, they cute. They cute. They cute. They cute. They're cute. Hold on now. Let me pose. I feel like I need to pose. Wait a minute. Oh, they're cute. I like them. I like them. I like them. Okay. 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 I'm sorry. Okay. Focus, Rakita. Focus. All right. So let me. Oh, they're cute. And then they have the very faintly Chanel right there on the lens. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let's get some details. Ciao. All right. So these are the square sunglasses classic black. What? That name don't even go with the thing. Like, it don't say nothing about pearl. Okay, well, that's the name of them. I ain't make the name. I ain't make the name. So they are the square sunglasses classic black. Item number A71493 S2216 OCCI. That's long. But don't worry about it. I will put the details in the information box if you are interested, along with the link. Child, what that say? I paid. See, everything be all good, right? Until I see my receipt. And then I'll be mad. But I ain't gonna do nothing about it because I'm keeping them. So I paid $595 before taxes. But they cute. They cute. That's it. That's it. Again, I ordered them from Chanel.com. I want to say buy my new sunglasses. Okay. Too much. It's too much. Okay, good people, that is it. That was my Chanel unboxing. Okay, again, if you haven't seen my entire luxury designer sunglasses video, I will link that here and also in the description box. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join my YouTube friends. I'm gonna be here every day for the month of this, well, at least up till Christmas. I'm gonna be here every day, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I am at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people tomorrow. Okay, bye!